Hey guys, welcome to our new HTML series. In this series, we're going to teach you how to build a website from the ground up, all by scratch, and all in valid HTML5 format. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create your file. The easiest way to do this is to go to whatever program you're going to be using to code the page. I'm personally going to be using Notepad++, but there is a slew of other editors. You could use Notepad if you wanted to, but Notepad++ it's a simple download. It's free, and it's a great program. So let's get started. First, open your program, and you're going to want to make a new page. And to save it, like any other program, go to File, Save As, then go to whatever directory you want it to be in. I'm going to do my desktop for time's sake. And you're going to want to name your file index.html. You can select HTML from the drop-down menu, but if you add the extension yourself, it's going to save in HTML, not a text file. Okay, to get started, the first thing you need to do on any HTML file you create is you're going to need to set your doc type. In HTML5, this is a lot easier than in HTML4, because there were multiple doc types you could have, but in HTML5 all you have to type is greater than exclamation point doctype, then HTML, and then close with a less than symbol. And there you go, your doc type's set. And then you need to declare your head tags, which, if it's not obvious enough, that's your header information. If you're going to use CSS style sheets, then you can either use style tags or include a separate CSS file, your title, any meta tags you need, anything like that. And any tag in HTML is always going to be followed by the greater than and the less than, and you're going to type whatever tag you need, like head, body, if you need a div or anything like that. It's always going to be between the greater than and the less than symbols. So to declare your head, you're going to want to do greater than head, and then press enter twice, and you need to close these tags, which you do that by doing greater than / and then you type your tag again. That opens the tag by having the head tag and then the close tag with the /. And to set your title in the head tags, just do the same thing, but type title instead. See, it's just that easy. And once you have your head tag, go to your closed tag, enter twice again, and this time you're going to want to do the same thing, but type body. This is where anything that the web browser sees, or that you see, that the web browser interprets, everything is going to go in the body tag. So open it up and close it as well. And pretty much there you have the bare basic structure of an HTML file. Anything else will go either in the head tags or the body tags. You can have a file without declaring these, but as far as CSS sheet goes and JavaScript, anything like that, generally you're going to need to declare these. And next we'll add text to the body. I always like to click tab before I insert a new tab, so it's easier to find which tag goes with which one if you have multiple types of the same tag. So let's go ahead and add a text tag, which is declared by the letter P, and then you can type hello world, and there that tells the web browser that there's going to be just normal text. If you want to add a title before that, you can do H1, and then whatever you want your title to be, and that's going to give you a title and then body text. This is completely unstyled. So let's save, and we'll go to Firefox and see what we have. See? Simple as that. That gives us exactly what we typed. Title and hello world. There you can have multiple titles, multiple paragraphs, which paragraph is what the P stands for. And as far as title goes, you can have subtitles by doing H2, H3, H4, and H5. Each time you go down in the number, the text gets a little bit smaller, and you can only go to H5. But that's all your subtitles. And as far as normal body text goes, you never need to do anything else as long as it's in those P brackets. So to give you an example of a different subtitle, let's use the H2 tag, save, and we'll go to Firefox and refresh our file from before. And as you can see, it's smaller than the H1 tag. And if any of you are wondering about the margins or the padding between the text, you have to edit that using CSS, which we'll cover in a later episode. But for now, that's pretty much the basics. Everything you need to know is a tag will always be surrounded by the greater than and the less than symbols, and to end a tag, just have the /. In the description below, I'll tell you everything I've told you here, and we'll have another episode up soon, and we'll go a little bit further. We'll start using more complex tags and maybe even a little CSS to get you guys started off really well. Thanks for watching. Like or subscribe if you like this video, and leave a comment if there's anything you guys need to know, if there's any questions you have. We'll have the next video up probably Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys then.